Imagine you're starting a new project. You need a tool to manage your tasks, track your time, and collaborate with your team. You've heard about Paymo, but you're not sure if it's the right fit, especially if it's free. So the big question is Paymo free forever? Paymo is a popular project management and time tracking tool. It offers a range of features, including task management, time tracking, collaboration, and invoicing. But is it free to use indefinitely? Let's dive in and find out. Paymo's free plan. Paymo does offer a free plan, but it comes with certain limitations. While you can use it to manage a limited number of projects and tasks, there are some features that are only available in the paid plans. Let's break down what you can and can't do with the free plan. What you can do with the free plan: manage up to 5 projects, track time for unlimited projects, collaborate with a limited number of team members, use basic task management features. What you can't do with the free plan: create custom workflows, use advanced reporting features, integrate with other tools, access premium support. When to upgrade to a paid plan. If you find that the free plan is limiting your productivity or the needs of your business, it might be time to consider upgrading to a paid plan. Here are some signs that you might need a paid plan. You're managing more than 5 projects. You need to collaborate with a large team. You require advanced reporting features. You want to integrate Paymo with other tools. You need premium support. Paymo's paid plans. Paymo offers several paid plans, each with its own features and pricing. The exact features and pricing will vary depending on your location and the specific plan you choose. However, you can generally expect to pay a monthly or annual fee for a paid plan. Here are some of the key features that you can expect to find in Paymo's paid plans. Unlimited projects and tasks, advanced collaboration features, custom workflows, advanced reporting features, integrations with other tools, premium support. So, to answer the question, is Paymo free forever? The answer is no. While Paymo does offer a free plan, it comes with certain limitations. If you need to manage more than 5 projects, collaborate with a large team, or require advanced features, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to upgrade to a paid Paymo plan depends on your specific needs and budget. If you're just starting out or only need basic project management features, the free plan might be sufficient. However, if you need more advanced features or want to scale your business, a paid plan might be the better option. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.